Welcome to Microsoft Office Specialist Excel. In this video, we'll learn how to search for data within a workbook. On Home tab, in Editing group, we click Find and select arrow button, and click Find. Here we got Find and Replace dialog box. We may also use shortcut Ctrl F. Here we got the dialog box. Here we got some sample data. We open the Find and Replace dialog box. On Find tab, in Find What text box, we enter the text we want to search. If we click Options button, here we have more options. In Within List, we may select Sheet or Workbook. In Search List, we may choose by rows or by columns. In Login List, we may have different options. When we click Find Next button, here we got the results. If we click Match Case checkbox and click Find Next, here we can't find our result. If we modify our search content, here we find our results. If we change to Match Entire Cell Contents and click Find Next button, here we only got one result. If we deselect the checkbox and click Find All button, here we may see and select all our results. When finished, we click Close button. If we click Format button, in Find Format dialog box, here we may have different options. On Font tab, here we choose Red and click OK button. Here we can have a preview. When we click Find Next button, here we got two results. If we change the criteria, here we got our new results. If we click Format arrow button and click Choose Format from Cell, we can click a cell to copy its formats and click Find Next button. Here we only got one result.
Do you know how to use Excel? This may be a very common question, and most people's answer may be like this. Microsoft Office Specialist Excel is 100% based on the syllabus from Microsoft. In addition to the fundamental knowledge, you will also learn different skills of Excel, just like how to apply beautiful and professional templates, handle external data, search different data in Excel, handle hyperlink, set pre-addressed email, apply beautiful themes, manage shortcuts, arrange windows in different ways, apply different series, create custom fields, apply cell formats and styles, format cells based on content, insert sparklines, outline data and insert subtotals, create table from cell range, configure table style, remove duplicate entries, use functions to solve different problems, create professional charts, change the type of chart, format text box and shape, apply style to picture, format a picture, and how to arrange pictures. Currently, this course is being sold in 48 countries. Let's see what the students say. This course is really for you. What are you waiting for? Let's start it.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up.
Share it with your friends. Subscribe and tap the bell and you won't miss any new videos. Any questions or new topics you want, please leave your comments below. If you are interested in my course, you may click the link below